Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to install Python in your PC or laptop. Open browser and type here Python download, hit enter. Okay. Now click on download Python. Now click on download Python 3.135. File is downloading, please wait. After this, click on downloaded file. Minimize browser. There is a installer. Install now, customize. Click on use admin. Okay. Now click on customize installation. Check here what features are available in. Click on next. Select here install Python for all user. Now click on install. Now setup is progress. Please wait while take a time and little fast forward this video for save time. Okay. Now installation is pre-compiling standard library. Now you see setup was successful. Now click on close. After this check installation, open C drive, click on program files, search here Python, click on Python, type here on address bar cmd, type here Python space double hyphen version, hit enter. Now you see Python version is 3.1.3.5. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.